going to look at finding the equation of a line from its graph. So again, we're looking for our slope-intercept form. So we want to use y equals mx plus b. M is our slope, b is our y-intercept. Okay, so very quickly I can look at this graph. Where's my y-intercept? Here at 0. So that means in my equation, I'm going to put a 0 in place of b. Okay, when y is 0, that's where it's crossing the x-axis. Now I need to find the slope. So I can look at my graph. That, remember, slope, let me do a bright color here. Slope is rise over run. So I need to look, how much do we go up to how much do we run? So we're going up 1, so that's a positive. Then to the right, 1, 2, 3, which to the right is positive. So my slope is going to be 1/3, and then I just fill in my y and x. So the equation for this line is y equals 1/3 x plus 0. Now, technically, this isn't incorrect, but it's not the simplest form. Anytime you're adding 0, it does nothing. So really, I would prefer that you write this as y equals 1/3 x, but if it's asking for slope-intercept form, you may want to go ahead and put that in there to show that you do recognize that 0 is your y-intercept. Okay? But either one of these would give you that line. So let's look at another one. I want you to try to find the equation of this line. So here's our axes. Here's this point, so this is on the y-axis, and then we have this other point, okay, because this may be a little hard to see. So when you get it worked, go ahead and press play and we'll check it. Alright, so we're wanting the equation, so y equals mx plus b. I'm going to look, what's my y-intercept? Well, it's at 1, 2, so in place of b, I'm going to put a 2. So now all I need to find is my slope. So again, I'm going to start at the left point and move to the right point, that it has to make that right triangle. We go straight up or down, straight left or right. Okay, it needs to be along grid lines. So if we look, starting at this point to get here, I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces down. Going down is negative. Then we're going right 1, 2, 3. And right is positive. So slope is our rise, the vertical distance over horizontal. So our slope would be -4/3. Or you could write that y equals -1 1/3 x plus 2. Either one of these would be correct. Okay, as long as it's the negative, those are equivalent. Okay.